This pineapple upside down cake was one of the very first cake I ever baked in high school in home economics, and I still make it every holiday. Let me show you how to make it. I'm gonna start off by using 2 eggs. I'm also gonna add a lemon to it. You can use lime if you got lime, just to cut away the rawness. Set this aside. Now we're gonna cream our softened butter and sugar. You wanna cream this until it's light and fluffy. Add eggs, pure vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, whisk together, pineapple juice, and use a liquid measuring cup, not a dry ingredients measuring cup. The batter should look something like this. Smelling so good. This is going to prevent the cake from getting too moist, okay? Add your pineapples to the pan. Squeeze one in over here. Now I'm going to add some cherries to make it pretty. Home ec class really started all for me. I was so proud of this cake back then. Add your melted butter, sugar. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 350 degrees. Now I'm making it again for the holidays. I guess some recipe never leaves you. This cake is all about balance, not too sweet. Soft crumbs and that buttery pineapple flavor that everyone loves. Into the oven it goes, and trust me, just the smell alone will tell you when it's ready. Gonna bake this for 35 to 40 minutes into the oven. Let the cake rest for 5 to 10 minutes before the flip. This part is my favorite part, the flip. Oh my God. Oh my God. Every single time, it feels like magic. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. So ooey gooey. And so moist. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Do, do, do. It's too good, man. It is so good. I haven't had this in a long time, and it's really good. I eat the slice off. Wow. It is very good. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. You can also find a link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.